As you can see here, a lot of dirtiness everywhere all around the market. You can see that there is a lot of dirtiness everywhere. There is a lot of water flowing, sewage, which is very unhygienic. You can see how can a senior citizen walk on this path when he comes for shopping or something like that, or to buy his basic groceries or fish, which is essential item for all our homes. When I myself come here to buy, I have to go through water, wade through the water, and it is stinking. Plus, it is a lot of garbage is around. Everywhere I can see that there is garbage. There is no proper parking. The vehicles are parked haphazardly because there is no law and order, in the sense that there is no somebody who is going to tell Baba, you park like this or park like that, or there is no order of parking. You can see cars are also parked, the bikes are also parked the way. Then two cars are passing. There is a lot of communication problem here while traveling also. Plus the garbage. Everywhere you see this garbage. Now you can see this is sewage. Sewage. How can I? Whenever I come here, I step into this sewage. So it is unhygienic. So I request the government authorities to clean this place.
पूण तुमकां धंदो हातूनच बसून असल्या हातून बसून करचो पडटा. धंदो तुमकां हातूनच बसून करचो पडटा. पूण आनी लोक बीन तुमकां हे करना म्हणना कशें करता.
पहिले आम्ही मार्केट रेनोवेट केले की विषय वस्तू करून आणि दुबई मार्केट टाईप तुमचा केले विशयान आणि दुबई टाईप करत सान आमी परिस्थिती जाल्यार रेट जी पळय आहा नुस्त्याची ती दुबई टाईप जाल्ली आहा आणि जे पळय कंडिशन जे पळय आहा न्ही ते सामकी स्क्रॅप कंडिशन जाल्ली आहा. वत ती निसर वत ती उदक वत ती जलाची उदक नुस्तेकार वयर बसतात आनी जलाची उदक सगळी सकल सोडटा लोक निसरतात आणि कंडिशन सामकी व्हेरी होपलेस आहा. आम्ही कंप्लेंट केली कलेक्टराक, मागीर कंप्लेंट केली हेल्थ ऑफिसराक, ते येवन पळोवन वतात पूण एक्शन कांय घेना.